NASDAQ 100 taking a sharp drop from the 12,000 levels this week and in fact has achieved close to 11,400 lower lows are done. But yes, it failed to breach past 11,400, which is a very strong support for US100. So now what to expect? Is it going to trade bullish from here, or should we consider this for a reversal on the downside, and can we expect a sharper drop with the US inflation data and the Fed interest rate hike decision? So what to expect next week, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit, so do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next updates on NASDAQ 100 are released every day, first with the Asia session, next with the US cash session. So twice a day, so you should watch that. Do not miss those analyses as well. So do press the bell icon. Towards the end of this analysis, I'll give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end. Now see this. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the weekly charts. Last week we saw that this is the top of this channel. We have seen multiple candles getting the resistance at these levels, and you can also see 12,400 levels as the stronger resistance for Nasdaq 100. Yes, there is a possibility for it to achieve that, and yes, there is a possibility for it to in fact break those levels and sustain the bullish momentum. However, there are increasingly downward pressure, and if you look at the weekly charts more in detail, you will find, see, the previous week lower lows are done. Now now look at the previous three candles. See, increasing body here and a reversal last week. Now see higher highs on the previous two candles and lower lows on the last three candles. So one thing is for sure, that there is a possibility for it to hit 12,350, 12,400 levels, which is going to be a very strong resistance level. We need to be aware of. At the same time, 11,400 is certainly going to be a very good support levels. If it breaches below 11,400, certainly a little more bearishness might take it till towards 11,350 and then 11,200 levels. So this is one observation. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see almost the same highs, and almost you can find the lows are getting lower here, but this was the you can see last 3 days when it has seen the bottom, and since then you can find out higher lows, higher highs are seen. So I will wait for it to breach past this zone first at 11,500 and then 11,400. Trading below 11,400, consider that this has taken a direction and it is going to break again. Next thing is trading above 11,600 and then 11,800 you can buy for 12,100 and then 12,400 levels. That is another observation on the daily charts. Now look, after a strong bullish candle, it has consolidated for a while, and if you look at the highs here at 12,400, so everything is pointing at 12,400 here. And if you look at this charts, you can find despite the breakout, it is still trading in this bullish channel. And yes, the bottom here is somewhere at around 10,600, 700, and there is a possibility of a bounce back from those levels if it continues to trade on the downside. Now we have seen the daily and weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, you can find 11,000 as a very strong support, and this we had predicted months back when it was trading that US100 is looking forward to 11,000. This is done. In fact, it has gone well below 10,400 levels. Now if you look at the last two candles, all with a sharp tail and a good flat body. Now if you look at, see, it is almost done with the previous two closings and the tail is done. Possibility for it to reverse from here exists, and if it does, and if it trades about 12,100, certainly 12,400, 12,800 and 13,000. 13,000 is the level which it may try to achieve before it looks over to any further drop, and this is probably going to be the third green candle for the month. So yes, the important interest rate hike decision and the inflation data will certainly decide it to take a direction. On the downside, 11,000 levels are certainly going to provide a very strong support. Now this is on the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators what the indicators are suggesting. And if you look at the indicators, the 20, 50, 100 period moving average are almost, it is trying to confine its movement within those, that is 11,800 levels to 11,400 levels, everything falling within this, and hence any breakout above and below certainly going to be a decisive breakout. At the same time, one must not forget on the downside the Bollinger Band's bottom is at 11,400, so even if it tries to break, certainly there could be a pullback. Direction movement bearish trying to converge. The stochastic trading at bottom trying to reverse. The MACD trading divergent and bearish. The RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly chart, the 20 weeks average, it is almost at 12,000 levels. And on the upside, you can see the 50 and 100 period diverging. This is the contraindication. So probably once it trades about 12,000, certainly little more bullishness to be seen. The direction movement is so far bearish, trying to converge a bit. The stochastic has seen the highs, probably looking downwards. The MACD has been trading in green. It is looking forward to converge crossover. RSI looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. So most indicators have cooled down a bit and now are contraindicating. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly chart, the 50 months average at around 11,000, giving it a very good support. On the monthly charts, it is trading bearish for a little while now. The stochastic on the monthly charts is trading at a bottom and possibility for it to rise again exists. Hence, I see it a bullish candle for the month of December. The direction MACD is bearish and trying to converge. The RSI is looking downward. So this is one part to it. And considering this, now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and levels for next week. And just if you stick and adhere to the levels, definitely you can profit. So now where to take a buy position? I will recommend you to buy here at 11,600 only. If it trades above 11,600, you can stay long. But remember my favorite numbers. Those who watch me daily must follow this: 11,660, 11,710, 11,760, and then 11,840. Now if it trades above 11,840, you can confirm that this is going to fly high for 12,000 and then 12,100. 20 beyond that, certainly I will be looking forward to directly till towards 12,350, 12,400. And if this breaks past this, directly I will be looking forward to 12,800 for the month of December. And in fact, you can expect 13,000 levels in the month of December itself. You can stay long about 12,100 any which ways. Now on the downside, where to sell? Yes, you can sell here at 11,480, but then expect 11,440 and 11,400 as the next support levels. And if it breaks below 11,400, it can certainly show you little more bearishness, taking it till towards 11,340. And then directly we can see it landing till towards 11,200 levels. Below 11,200, I will be looking forward to 11,000 as the max support, and below that it is going to drop till towards 12,700 and below levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. The month so far has been trading in red, hence a strong reversal on the upside cannot be denied. Take your positions accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.